Ever dreamt of diving into the vibrant world of neon without breaking the bank? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the exciting world of neon and uncovering the secrets to securing a free account. Neon, the groundbreaking AI platform, has taken the tech world by storm. Its ability to generate stunning visuals, write captivating stories, and even compose music has left many awestruck. But with its premium features, it might seem like a luxury beyond reach. The good news: fear not. There are legitimate ways to experience the power of Neon without spending a dime. Method 1: Neon's free trial. Neon offers a generous free trial that allows you to explore its core features. While it's limited in terms of usage, it's a fantastic opportunity to get a taste of what Neon can do. Here's how to sign up for the free trial. Visit the Neon website. Head over to the official Neon website. Create an account. Sign up for a free account using your email address. Start exploring. Once your account is verified, you can begin exploring the free features. Method 2: Neon Student Discount. If you're a student, you can enjoy significant discounts on Neon's premium plans. This is an excellent way to access advanced features at a fraction of the cost. To avail the student discount, verify your student status. You'll need to verify your student status through a recognized platform like ShareID. Apply the discount. Once verified, apply the student discount code during the checkout process. Method 3: Participate in Neon's community. Neon has a thriving community of users who are always eager to share tips, tricks, and resources. By actively participating in forums, social media groups, and online communities, you can connect with other users, network with like-minded individuals who can offer valuable insights, learn from experts, gain knowledge from experienced Neon users who can share their expertise. Access exclusive offers. Sometimes, the community may share exclusive deals or promotions. Method 4: Keep an eye on Neon's promotions. Neon often runs promotions and giveaways. Keep an eye on their social media channels, email newsletters, and website for the latest offers. Additional tips: maximize your free trial. Make the most of your free trial by experimenting with different features and projects. Learn from tutorials. Explore online tutorials and resources to learn how to use Neon effectively. Join online courses. Consider taking online courses to enhance your skills and knowledge. While Neon's premium features offer a lot of value, there are legitimate ways to experience its power without spending a fortune. By leveraging free trials, student discounts, community engagement, and promotions, you can unlock the potential of Neon and bring your creative visions to life. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.